guys, welcome to Susie Farm. Today is another planting day. It's the end of spring. This is end of March, and we are getting ready. All this while, I have this tree that I've been planting in my garden, and I actually want to check if it will blossom because so many people keep on talking about the cherry tree do blossom in the spring, in March. But ever since I started looking at my own cherry tree, it is growing. I've seen leaves coming out, but I've not seen there are no blossom. By the way, it's just 11 months. So let's go closer to actually see if we can get some blossom on this tree or if it will not bear fruit for this year. Yes, actually, I'm pleading and asking those who have planted cherry trees before to actually help me to know if this my cherry that I planted just 11 months ago, next month April will make this cherry 1 year, if it will give fruit. For now, I don't really know because I was waiting for the floret to come out, but see, I don't have any floret here. There's no pink flowers. I can't find the flowers. I can't. Everything here is green. I'm seeing the leaves coming out. So for those who have been used to this, you can see. I don't know if you are seeing it. We have here, but the green. Everything is green. So I don't know if the flowers will come out later, or I won't be able to have fruit this year. Please just let me know. I've been waiting to experience cherry blossom behind my backyard, and that's why I planted this cherry tree, because I love to eat cherry and I love having cherry blossom behind my house. The pink flowers is something that everybody loves and everybody will want to have. Why not? So this is my own. I don't know if you are seeing it well. I'm actually not having the pink flowers. I don't know if they will come later. So if there's anything that I need to do to get the pink flowers, or I have to wait next year, you let me know. We keep sharing information and learning from each other. Of this cherry tree, it normally I've investigated to say that at the end of March, cherry tree we need to get cherry blossom. Anyway, I planted this tree just last year. It's 11 months. In 2 weeks time, this tree will be 1 year old, because I planted this tree last year on the 10th of April 2024, and in 2 weeks time it will be a year old. But since it's my first experience, I was expecting to see some pink flowers all over in my backyard. But unfortunately for me, I'm not getting any pink flowers. So I just want to come up here so that those of you who have been in agriculture before, or those who have experience with their own cherry tree, can actually let me know if it is time for me to start waiting for fruit, or I have to wait longer because it is just a year old. I thought there were floweret coming out, but everything I'm seeing here are leaves. I've not started seeing any blossom. So I will just bring the camera closer so that you people can see it and actually tell me if it will fruit this year or not, because I like planting my fruit. I always plant my fruit and the next year I'm eating. So I really wanted it to fruit this year. But if it does not fruit, I don't know what I will do. But then I need to ask from those who have experienced it before. So for all the gardeners, all the planters, all those who have been planting cherry before, please let me know in the comment section if this cherry tree will bear some fruit this year, or I still have to wait, because actually I'm not getting the pink flowers of cherry in March. I am not actually getting it. When we started, I thought I would get it, but now I'm losing hope. So I don't know. Maybe I need to wait again, or maybe I just need to forget about it and wait for next year. Please let me know in the comment section below. This is one of the things I keep on telling all the gardeners, that we don't know everything. We keep learning every day. And me, for one, even with the PhD, I still learn. I learn from others. So my fellow gardeners, and even those who are not gardening, who have more information about cherry, try to share it with me so that let me know what I am expecting. I would really love to eat at least 1 or 2 cherry from this my cherry tree I planted last year. And normally all my trees, when I plant, I start eating the next year. So I'm still hoping that I will eat. So let me just bring the camera closer so that we'll go through and actually see what is happening here. So actually this is how the cherry tree looks like. This is how the blossom are. I don't know if you can see it. Everything here I'm seeing but leaves. I'm not seeing any pink flowers. I'm not seeing the flowers. I don't know if after this stage, then the flowers will come up or what? Sometimes you may be expecting something, but the thing is just in your mind. So you can see this one, ray going out. I don't know, maybe these ones will come out like flowers. I don't know. So I will just show you all around. You see what I'm talking about? This is how it is. This is how it is as of now. So nothing is there. Actually, I can't see anything. I can't see any sign of fruiting. You see, when I zoom, when I take the camera closer, I see but leaves. I see but smaller leaves coming in. But at this junction, look at this note. You see, yeah, I see something. I'm hoping that there should be floweret coming out. You see, they're in small, small bundles, not much. Maybe this one will give me my fruit that I'm hoping for. I don't know. Welcome to gardening. Gardening is fun indeed. Who say gardeners are not living a good life? Gardening is fun. Please look at these ones. Every morning I come out here to look at them. The tree is really giant. It has really grown so big, and I will have to do some trimming. Maybe let me not trim it now. Let me eat the fruit. Then after eating the fruit, I should trim it. But the way I look at it, I'm actually not seeing any fruit. I'm actually not seeing any fruit coming out. I don't know. See, right, the tips is there. I can't see anything. So those who are used to planting, or those who have planted before, they should let me know after transplanting, how long does it take for new fruit to come on a cherry tree. So this is my cherry. I planted it last year, 10th of April. In 2 weeks time, it will be exactly 1 year old. So this cherry tree is actually just 11 months old, and I was expecting to have a pink backyard, because when I see other people showing cherry or googling online, I always see that the cherry tree gets purple flowers, before they have fruits. I don't know. Can you see this? See, I look at it like this. I don't see any fruit coming out or any pink flowers. Maybe I will not have the florets this year. This one still, I don't know. If it's here that the fruit will come, please you let me know. I'm eagerly waiting for the first pink leaf from this my tree. I am really eagerly waiting. You won't imagine. So let me know before time, so that I get myself prepared, or I just forget about the tree. Anyway, even when I cut the stems now, I won't be doing anything right, like reporting. No, 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 no. Okay, I'll wait until they give fruit, because I love when trees give fruit, because when they give fruit, then you can easily just propagate and get fruit the next year. Maybe these ones did not have fruit when it was propagated. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new to my channel, please kindly like, give your own opinion. Let me learn from you, and we share information with each other. Thank you.